Then big free is a writing. Your community is facing increasing health issues due to poor hygiene, lack of awareness about diseases, and unhealthy lifestyles. As a student in Terminal D, your school organizes a health awareness campaigns, and your class is tasked with contributing through written presentations. Write a well-structured text about 150 words in which you will first describe at least 2 common health problems in your community. 2. Explain their causes and consequences. 3. Suggest practical solutions to improve the health conditions of the populations. Okay, so these are some ideas. Yes, I'm going to propose you the ideas to help you do well your writings. As far as the common health problems is concerned, we have malaria and malnutrition. Okay, these are two common health problems in our community nowadays, especially, yes, in Burkina Faso, for example. Malaria is a disease which threatens many peoples nowadays. Yes, then, and here we remark that during the rainy seasons, many people are suffering from malaria. And also, malnutrition is another, health problems in Burkina Faso, because many children, they don't have, food to eat or enough food to eat, and this causes the malnutrition. And also, they don't have food containing, vitamins, and this is a main problem. Okay, and about the causes, then here are 2 causes, okay, of these problems. We have poor access to clean water and sanitations. We know that many people, for example, in Burkina Faso, then don't have the access to the clean water and sanitations, and this is, the main. Okay, it can be considered also as a main cause. Okay, and also we have the poverty and food insecurity. Poverty and food insecurity threatens people nowadays. Then people are poor, and also they don't have some food to eat. Then hence the food insecurity. Okay, and now about the consequences. Then we have the high infant and child mortality rates. Then because of the malnutrition and because of the malaria, then we note the death of many children. Then, and because of this malnutrition and the poverty which threatens many people, then we have the high infant and the child mortality rates. And also then has the consequences. We have the reduced productivity. Okay, then we remark that people, the farms, then but because of the lack of rains, insufficiency of rains, then there is the reduced productivity, meaning that people, they grow yes, and they farm, but they don't have then enough yield. They don't have enough crops, and this is the problem. Okay, then these are the consequences. Now, let's deal with the practical solution. Here are two practical solutions. Okay, first, improve access to health care and preventive measure. Then the government can help people by improving the access to health care. Then we can maybe propose the government to build many public hospitals then or health center for the people, because many people don't have the access to the public health center, and that is the problem. Then, and also for preventive measure, look for preventive measure or take preventive measure in order to avoid the problem confronted by the people. And also promote health educations and nutrition program. The government must have a clear programs then on education and nutrition, also of clear food program, which can help people to address these challenges or problems, then which is really the main difficulties of the people nowadays. Okay, these are ideas has the others essay writings which can help you do well your writing, and it is at the same time the end of the lesson on the health. Thank you very much for attending the class, and I'm so glad to be with you then for the classes. Goodbye and see you for another day.